we already have the heading tag in place, but I didn't explain what heading tag is. So heading tag is basically, it has a default font size and it applies to whatever content you see. So headings tags ranges from H1 to H6. I'll show you the range. So I'm going to change this as H1. Now see the change in the font. So it has an increased font. Next we'll see, okay, we already have a H2. I'll do a H3 here. We look at the size variations. See, H3 is pretty smaller, H1 is large. Likewise, we have from H1 to H6. All these have a default font size, but still we could use the style attribute and change its font. Now just look at this Annie Hathaway's text. So that changed to 60 pixels. So which is even more than the H1 tag. So you can still change the heading tags font size using the style attribute. So heading is pretty much used at places like this, but in future you will see that there are some alternatives with which we don't need to use the headings.